So this here, as soon as you walk in, we have a little wet bar area with a microwave. We have a coffee maker, sink, and toaster there. And if we keep on walking in, we walk into the restroom here. So we have a nice big vanity. It's single, but it is very large. And then, yep, basic toilet. And then over here, we have the shower. Also, your basic tub. All right, now moving on here. We have, I think this is a closet. Let's see. Yeah. So a closet, extra blanket at the bottom. Safe. And then you enter the room. And here we have the bed. So queen size bed, pretty standard for TVC studios. And we have the pull out couch down over there. Balcony, swing back around. We got our dresser with our TV. And let's see here. Looks like an armoire. Yes. So we have an armoire. We can hang our clothes. Maybe put some suitcases in here. Nice. And I just love the details here on this armoire and all the furniture in here. All the details, all the little hidden Mickeys in the furniture. So cool. So cool. Oh, we've got a nice letter here from the manager. Says, "Thank you for being our guest."